Good afternoon from the AACA Museum Motorbike Show in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Today I debut in public this 1982 Honda C70 Passport that has only 1.4 miles on the odometer. It's been an enjoyable day here at the show, telling many people about the history of how this came to be. Donated in 1983 as a one-year-old leftover by Honda of Berks in Temple, PA, donated by the owner to his church, who made it a church charity raffle prize, winning ticket purchased by my 75-year-old grandmother. She proceeded to take my father to the dealer. She gave it to him. He took it home, a couple laps in the driveway, where it remained in my father's garage for 41 years. Pulled out in 2024. My son kicked the Kickstarter and the engine turned, meaning it was not seized after 41 years in an unheated garage. So with that, oh, by the way, that water spot, I verified from 3 other people here. It's not gasoline, it is water, due to being loaded on the trailer last night during a light rain. So, but I had this taken to Honda Power Sports on PA 72, just outside of Jonestown, Pennsylvania, who did work on this in the second half of 2024. New tires and inner tubes, new battery, new brake cable, new fuel shutoff valve. That's the one piece that did seize, so that is new. Also, the ignition switch is new because my father had lost the keys. But the good news is I found a website called hondakeys.com. They successfully cut me 2 new keys for the original ignition cylinder, which I have here in my bag, and I may reinstall on this. But it's been a thrill today to show this to many people who ask questions and are amazed to see a bike of this age with such low mileage. There's the original Pennsylvania 1982 inspection sticker. I verified through PennDOT. This has never been titled. Not by the dealer, not by my grandmother, not by my father. So it is an untitled NOS, new old stock, 1982 Honda C70 Passport. The final part of this is that for today, I printed some old magazine ads from the internet showing Honda marketing, not only from the 1980s, 778, but also from the 1960s, 64 through 1966, which coined the phrase, you meet the nicest people on a Honda. So I hope you're enjoying this video as much as people here at the show are enjoying seeing this today. It's a beautiful show here, an assortment of motorcycles of all kinds, diverse. Right across the aisle from me is a beautifully restored Rupp Roadster from 1971. I'm in awe of the work he did on this. It is so cool. But people are just enjoying this today. There's soon to be a ride from here to Fordington Town Gap. I will not be taking the Honda Passport on the ride. It's been such a pleasure talking to so many motorbike fans here, sharing the story of our family's Honda Passport. So there it is. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching.